Hi, I'm Edoardo Colasanti, educator and creative team member at Sorby London. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new Atmos Dry Plus Style from DIVA Pro Styling. The item comes with 9 different attachments, each of them with a specific purpose. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the newest hair curl attachments for the Atmos Dry Plus Style. One is clockwise, take the hair away from the face if we work on the right side. And then we have the anti-clockwise that should be used on the left side if we want to get the hair away from the face. So make sure you get out the frizziness first and then allow the hair curl attachment to do the curls for you. Just hold a strand of hair and then just moving it slightly to just let it go. Because we're working on the right side, we need to switch it off if we want the hair to flow away from the face. And let the curls drop. Help yourself if you want more definition with your fingers. Okay, so this is the final result by using the hair curl attachment. Because I want to increase the volume and the texture, it's always a good idea asking for your client or model to go with your head upside down so you can really get nice extra lift. And I'm gonna be using the Oribe texturizing spray just to create more texture in the hair and body. Just keep moving the hair around, mess it up. Blow dry will stay in place. And this is the final result by using the hair curl attachment from the Atmos Dry Plus Style. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you why we have 2 different ones inside the box. One is slightly larger and one is slightly slimmer towards the ends. Why? Because if we're looking for the fine curls, then I would recommend the slimmer one. Whether you're looking for soft waves, natural movements, I would recommend you to use the larger one. We have also different material. One is in plastic. I would recommend to use it on an occasion where your client has already curly hair and you don't need too much heat in the hair. Just go with the plastic because it's gonna work better. You need the metal one because you want the heat inside the wand to make the hair set. The way you do it, just place the wand underneath if you want the hair away from the face, and then you twist and you keep going around by twisting. Once you have that, you place your finger on the setting and then you will cool it down for 5 seconds. You will feel the heat through your hands, so you know when it's the right time to cool it down. 5 to 10 seconds, switch it off and let it go. And that's how you get the perfect curl with the large wand. So this is the wand in plastic. This is a good tool to be used when you already have some curls in the hair or some waves and you need to refine it. So I place my wand, twist, twist, always away from the face. Keep in place for 5 to 10 seconds and then go to heat settings down to 0. So this is the cold shot and we allow us to set the hair on the wand again and then switch it off. So much easier to control the hair if you switch it off. So to start with, I'm gonna use the dry nozzle. It will allow us to pre-dry the hair before using the actual attachments. The Atmos Dry Plus Style comes with 3 different speed settings and 3 different heat settings. I would recommend to not dry completely, up to 80% so we can finish the 20%. My first tool will be the large brush for big and voluminous hair. My next attachment will be the medium brush, which is good when you want to keep natural volume in the hair, very effortlessly looking hair. The next attachment from the Atmos Dry Plus Style is gonna be the round thermal bristle brush, which is my favorite one. It's in metal, so that means the heat will stay inside the brush to style and set the hair properly. This is the best brush you can use. The main difference between those 2 sizes is one is larger than the other one. Why? Because the larger one would be very good when we want to create voluminous hair, and the medium one is actually for natural and effortless looking hair. One of the attachments that comes with the Atmos Dry Plus style is the diffuser. What I love about this diffuser is the weight. It's super light. Let's get started. So when it comes to curly hair, it's very important to prep the hair with the right product. I would definitely recommend to use like a mousse to get some of the crunchiness and body into the hair, and then a curl defining cream. The way you should use the diffuser is on medium speed and medium heat. That's because we don't want the hair to go frizzy. So if you control the speed and the heat, the final result would be amazing. Another trick will be turning your model or clients upside down, go in with the diffuser, scrunch the root with your fingers, and then dry the hair slowly. By doing that, once your model or client will come back, you will have a really voluminous hair. And this is the final result after I've been using the diffuser from the Atmos Dry Plus style. As you can see, we got a lot of body around this area, as well as a lot of definitions. The Atmos Dry Plus style is a hairdryer and a hairstyler. So in this occasion, I'm gonna be using it as a hairdryer. It comes with a dry nozzle, so will be your attachment when you wanna use the Atmos as a hairdryer. What I love about the dry nozzle is the direction of the hair that will come out. It's extremely precise, so you will get a lot of power wherever you think you need the power to be. Please feel free to use your favorite brushes. The best ones are the thermics because it comes with a wide range of it and it's long lasting. Okay, so I just finished drying the left side of my model with the drying nozzle. As you can see, the hair is super sleek and super shine. This was the before, super curly. This is the final result, the drying nozzle from the Atmos styler.